It happened on Sunday morning. Kaya as usual, electrical na naman ang naging problema. Kaya yun ang kailangan natin bantayan. Siguro we have to send out, we have to also, dahil ang mga school room natin, ang mga school building natin, mga school facilities natin, medyo luma na rin. Yung sa electrical, kinakargahan na natin ng computer, ng bagong fan, yung iba aircon, kaya talagang overloaded na, kaya nagkakaganto. Kaya siguro we have to look at the other schools also, na tiyakin na at the very least, may magandang fuse box para hindi makapag-overload sa ating electrical systems. But in the meantime, Public Works has already been, of course, I've already instructed the Public Works, the Department of Public Works and Highways, natignan nila, and what will it take, how soon can we rebuild it. Yung mga nasirang gamit, we will replace it. School supplies, not only of the children, but also the teachers. Yung mga gamit ng mga teacher. Nakita pa namin yung nandun na debris na sunog. So we'll have to replace that, otherwise the teachers cannot do their job.